All right, welcome ladies and gentlemen and merch designers of all ages. This is James with Photoshop Quick Hits coming at you, and we're going to upload a t-shirt design today. And don't you just hate it though when you come up with a really sweet design that you created and you're uploading it to Amazon and you're ready to start working on it and put in the shirt colors and sizes and the description and everything, and wow, doggone it, wouldn't you know it, please upload a valid PNG. But you know, I know I created the right file sizes. I had 4500 by 5400 pixels at 300 DPI, which by the way, Photoshop's, I think their regular presets, default presets are 72 DPI. So make sure you put it at 300 DPI when you're creating transparent PNG. But one thing that I overlooked, and a lot of times it's easy to do as a merch noob, and sometimes even a seasoned veteran, my file size is actually too large. So we click on this file that I had in here that I was uploading. You see that it's 33.5 megabytes. Well, Amazon's resource tab says you should have a maximum of 25 megabytes. So what do we do to reduce the file size of that and fix the issue that we're having when uploading? So what we're going to do is we're going to slide this off over here, and we're going to come over to Photoshop, and we're going to look in here. And we see this design that I made really quick is just a quick design, just a little zombie post-apocalyptical, whatever it is. So looks pretty cool. So what we're going to do is we're going to take and we're going to reduce this file size, and we're going to jump right into it. On this, we're going to go to File, and we're going to Export, Save for Web Legacy. And when you click that, we're going to go ahead and zoom out a little bit so you can see these. And what we're doing is we're comparing these two. And what this does, under my original, it says PNG 8, but with the optimize, it's gonna come up as either PNG 24 or something else. We're gonna click on the optimize tab, and or the 2-up, so we can compare it. And then we're gonna make sure that you set these parameters right here, PNG 8, and then the colors are going to be 256, not 128, and then put your dithering at 100%, because the file size on this, and you can see over here the original, that's huge. I think it's that's the 92 megabits, which ends up being whatever megabytes, and you can see already how massively reduced it is. So keeping the dithering at 100%, making sure it's interlaced, all that stuff is just to keep the quality is where it could be, as high as it can be without really affecting it, and then just hit save. And then right here we're going to have little dashes in between. We'll leave that up so we can compare the two. And then that'll take just a second to save. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open this really quick. And we're going to compare it with the one that we had open. So you can see it's still transparent, just the square is a little bit smaller. And this one right here, if you compare the two, other than the background changing on the little squares that shows it's transparent, there's not a whole lot of difference there. Really none. So that's really cool. So now we're going to pull this up, and we can see we've got to look. But let's take a look at this one here. Look at the file size now, 4.57 megabytes. That is way, way smaller and well within the parameters of Amazon. So then at this point, you can go ahead and upload it. You know you're within the right parameters. The coloring looks good. The artwork looks good, because we had a lot of different layers and masks in there and things when I created that. So we did a lot of work on there, so Photoshop saved it to a pretty large file. So we wanted to reduce the size. So now what we can do is we can come in here and we can start uploading our colors, our descriptions, our everything, and then we can see what looks best on the shirt, and then we can go ahead and upload it from there. Again, this has been James with Photoshop's Quick Hits. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and this should help a lot of you merch newbies with trying to figure out the file size thing and reducing your file size without affecting your quality. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.